Most people will have an agenda. They can't bear the thought of you doing well. But don't forget, you don't know what the Almighty knows. He knows what you're capable of. He knows your potential. Don't let others tell you otherwise. Life's too short to waste valuable time with the wrong company. Surround yourself with those who will draw you closer to the Almighty. Those who will challenge you to greater heights and to be better human beings. The Prophet Muhammad PBUH specifically prohibited attacking places of worship belonging to people of other faiths. Those who perpetrate such crimes do not represent Islam, but their own deviated agendas. #Guwada Church Attack. Don't be overly dependent on others. People will disappoint you again and again. Start relying on the Almighty. See how He brings people who can enrich you into your life. Trust His plan and see how your life changes. The truth is, no matter how lonely you are, you're never alone. The Almighty is always near. Very near. He knows what you're going through. He is aware of everything. So when everyone has abandoned you, seek comfort in Him, knowing that He is always there. Life can be difficult at times. The never-ending running around and stress to get things done. Don't let it make you resent your life. Learn to look at those who have less than you. Those who would trade places with you at the drop of a hat. Thank the Almighty for everything. Do you think the Almighty isn't aware of the nights you cried yourself to sleep, for every time you endured any pain? Do you think all that will go unnoticed and unrewarded? Remember, every trial you pass with patience is a ticket to a better hereafter. Don't keep asking why bad things happen to good people. The Almighty has promised us that we will all be tested. He puts us through tests because He knows when you're at your lowest that you're most likely to get closer to Him. We have all experienced a broken heart. But we don't have to be imprisoned by the pain. We can hide the suffering from others but not the one who made us. Call out to the Almighty who understands our hearts even better than we do. When you're on the right track, Satan will attack you even more. His whisperings aim to mess up your mind and make you doubt. Stand strong because with the Almighty, you're on the winning side.